Hey, this is leftover from the blizzard. I haven't gotten the the front porch shoveled out yet. Cold day today. Got down to -10 last night with wind chill of -25. Crazy. Crazy. Anyway, that was out the front door. So let's go out the back and see what we have out here. Ooh, God, it's cold. Anywho, if you can see, give you an idea how much the snow has drifted. It's up to my knees here. I shoveled this path for the dogs to come out and potty out the backyard, but little pathway there, but this is out back. Out the back here. Hello. Anywho, crazy cold. Car here in the garage. It's my Peugeot diesel, so has to be plugged in, be kept warm. That's Miss Simone, my Doberman. He does not like the cold either. And let's see. This here is my other car that got stuck on me on the way home. Simone, go in. On the way home from work the other day, I got 2 blocks from the house and got stuck. Ended up having to leave the car overnight, walk the rest of the way home. It's the truck that's still snow covered, and my trusty little Nissan that is also snow covered. Dug it out. Haven't dug the big one out yet. God, that's crazy. Anywho, I will go further outside, but it's just too cold for me. Anyway, just a quick little show of the little blizzard we got here in Joplin. I think our high today is supposed to be like 4 degrees. Anyway, I will post some more later. Talk at you later. Bye-bye.